there, welcome to today's class on lipsticks and lip colors. So I'm coming on today to show you how to apply lipstick in a way that's going to be most flattering for your lips. So the first thing that I do when I'm applying lipstick is I prime them. First I exfoliate and then I prime actually. So I've already exfoliated and moisturized my lips. Then I want to prime it either with a face and eye primer, or powder is another good way. So I just powder my lips to give it a good solid base for your lipstick to stick to. The next thing that you want to do when applying lipstick is always make sure that you have a matching lip liner or a very similar colored lip liner. Lip liner is going to keep your lipstick inside the lines, and it's going to prevent any bleeding, and it's going to create a solid edge to your lipstick. So when you trace your lips, you want to go along the line of your lips so that you're over tracing it just a hair. So I'm using Posh lip liner, and I'm going, you want to create an X across your peaks of your lips. To really emphasize that point in your lips. And then sometimes the powder makes it a little difficult to trace along the edges, and you need to apply a little extra color. So again, we're just going right along the edge of our lips so that it's going just outside of it. Seems like the powder is being picked up on my lips, or my lip liner. And we're just tracing along the lines along our lips. And again, just slightly overdrawn. Okay, and same on the bottom. Don't want to go too far outside of your lip line, because that will be really obvious, and people will know that's not really the size of your lips. Okay, so once you've traced your lips, you want to select a color that's very similar to that lip liner. So I'm using Stately Liquid Lipstick, which is a deep berry. And you don't need a lot of this liquid lipstick, because a little bit goes a long way. And you just want to color the inside of your lips and right up to the edge of that lip liner. And just blend them together nice and smooth. And then press them together, and some of it will transfer, because like I said, you don't need a lot. with this liquid lipstick. Oh. And again, pressing them together. And so they're just a little overdrawn and just a little bigger than normal. So once you've completed that, then your lipstick is set. This liquid lipstick does set to a solid, like a solid stain almost, and it stays put through so much. I usually wear this when I'm at work, and as I'm drinking or snacking, it doesn't transfer, it doesn't move as long as it's set, which does take about an hour. But once that hour is complete, as long as you haven't had any major eating or drinking or anything like that, it does set and stay. So once you've completed that, then you can blot it if it's too dark and lighten it up. Otherwise, you are set.